Have you already used the updates in Google Meet? Watch this video to learn what those updates are. Hello fellow educators, it's me Elena. Welcome to my e-class in Bytes. If you're just new here, don't forget to click subscribe and the bell to learn more weekly tips and how-tos for the new normal class. On this demo video, I will show you some updated features of the Google Meet using your desktop or laptop. Make sure your Google account is signed in. Then click Join or Start a Meeting. Type the name of the meeting. So as you can see, here is the user interface for Google Meet. Then you will see the new button on the lower right corner to turn on the background blur. Okay, so you can join now. So with the GSuite account, you have the controls as a host. So here's the button for the host controls. So for quick access, so when you turn this off, all participants must be admitted by you as the host. So when you turn it on, those who are within the organization can immediately enter the meeting. So you can let them share their screen or turn off the share screen as well as the chat messages. So this is the settings for the host. So the same with the first window. Okay, here in the settings, you have an access to the whiteboard. You have the option to record, the turn on or turn off background blur. So in the change layout, so another new feature is the tiled option wherein you can increase the number of participants that you can see in the Google Meet. So the minimum is 6 and the maximum is 49 participants, including you as the host. So this is the update, featured update of the Google Meet. And then the whiteboard or the Google Jamboard, so the electronic whiteboard of Google, there is now a direct link that you can click and then the Google Jamboard will open. So this Jamboard is like an electronic whiteboard and you can share screen it with your students or participants. So as a sample, I will try to use the Google Jamboard and then you will see also how your participants will be able to see what you're writing in the Google Jamboard. Okay, so I open the window for a participant. So I will type here or I will write here, hello. So it is better to use a device with a writing stylus, or if you have an iPad with an Apple Pencil, you can use this too. Okay, you can also add a sticky note. For your class to see. You have small notes to show to them. And also You can add text or images and shapes in your Google Jamboard. So as I am typing the text, on the right side, you will see how the students sees what you type, what you are typing. So you can also erase what you have written. So it's really like a whiteboard, an electronic whiteboard that you can use while you are having a discussion with your participants or your students using the Google Meet. Okay, so a sample of inserting a shape. So this is a good feature and good additional feature of the Google Meet. One of the good features update in Google Meet. Okay, so using your GSuite account, you can have those controls, the host, and the record option. Okay, you can record your meeting. So when you click record meeting and you accept it, your participants will hear that the meeting is being recorded. And they can also see an icon in the upper left corner. Okay, so that is the Google link for the Jamboard you created a while ago. Okay, so here I am showing you how to use Google Meet using your basic Gmail account. So there is a big difference. One of which is the background. It's not only the blur, but you can change the background. Just like in the Zoom app. So here you can choose different backgrounds while on your Meet. They have many templates available. You can still choose the blur option if you want, and you can also insert an image that you want as a background, which later I will show you how to insert the image that you want. So here, if you want your own image, just click the plus button, then on your pictures, choose or look for the file of the image you want as your background. Okay, so that is my chosen image. Okay, so let me just turn off the mic and the camera. Then when you join the meeting, you don't have the control options for the host if you are using the basic Gmail account, as well as the record option is not present. Just the whiteboard, you can change the layout and the background. So that is the difference between using a GSuite account and your Gmail account in using the Google Meet app. Hope you learned to use the new Google Meet updates and the difference between using your GSuite account versus basic Gmail account. There are more videos here to watch that will help you as an educator of the new normal. Make every choice better. See you next time.